Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. Don't forget to hit the like and also the subscribe button. You're watching a live trade of us trading NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ follows a lot of the big companies such as Apple, Amazon, and Google. Now, when those companies move, the NASDAQ futures market moves. And when them companies go up or down, the NASDAQ futures market move up or down. As you notice, we get in this trade and we start off with two contracts. Notice how we get in the trade anticipating the price is going low. This is a fast move. We get in the trade around 9:40 a.m. EST. We notice that we start to add more contracts. Now, why do we add more contracts? Well, this is more of an advanced technique where we teach our students at the Profit Room because we want to benefit from a big move because we anticipate a nice flush. Now we're in 4 contracts. Now in trading, sometimes you may go red before you go green, but you need to minimize the loss and maximize the profit by having a precise entry. Now you notice the trade is starting to play out. We anticipate the price to go even lower, and lower. So as we see this happening, we're up almost $1,000 in less than a few minutes, or less than 2 minutes we've been in this trade. We're up $1,000. If you're a newbie, take the money. Great opportunity to make some great profits. So as we continue on in this trade, we have a specific target. As advanced traders, we're looking for that big movement to reach our target. But if you're a newbie, like we say in our other videos, hey, take the money. $1,000 in 2 minutes is unbelievable. You notice that we sell 2 of our contracts. This gives us comfort so we can stay in the trade and for the bigger movement. Now we made our money. Now we're very relaxed. Now we have 1 contract left, which we call a runner. This is just like the icing on the cake. And we teach our students how to do this in every market, whether it's stocks, options, futures, or Forex. We show you how to find a trade setup and be a consistent, profitable trader. And as well, we give these trade alerts in our different trading rooms, futures, Forex, and also stocks as well. As you'll notice here, we'll exit out this last contract with $1,000 extra profit. Amazing trade. This trade was great. It was very controlled. And this is our textbook trade that we teach our students. We made over $3,000 in 5 minutes. Amazing. So if you want to learn how to trade like this, come over to theprofitroom.com. Education, application, success.